So, beyond even the drug maker space within healthcare, there have been so many companies announcing M&A activity in other subsectors of healthcare. One of the big ones was in the retail pharmacy space with Walgreens and Rite Aid.
Walgreens agreed to a deal that's worth 17 billion if you include the 7 billion in debt that was on Rite Aid's books, to buy the third largest pharmacy operator in the country. The deal comes on the heels of Walgreens integrating its merger with Alliance Boots, a major European pharmacy operator. Walgreens, they're going after it. There's no getting around it. It's CVS versus Walgreens, and whichever one can get the biggest scale, theoretically, is going to win the battle. So we'll see how this plays out. Rite Aid has had some troubles in the past. It's only just recently emerged back to profitability. It was a pretty leveraged company. There's a lot of overlap in various markets, so we'll have to see how many stores have to get closed, or otherwise sold off. But it's absolutely an interesting deal. And one of the other things too, Christine, is all these deals are happening. And why is it that they're happening now? It's probably because of the fear that interest rates and the cost to orchestrate these deals may rise as we go forward.
And hey, I mean, look at what happened today. I mean, the bump in the interest rates, like, it was not huge, but I think a lot of these deals were orchestrated at a pretty smart time.
Yeah, it's huge in that it marks the first major policy shift in almost a decade, as far as
Oh yeah, it's a strong signal for sure.
it's a big signal. It's not. You're right. 25 basis points isn't a tremendous increase, but the guidance they issued today is something that people have to pay attention to. And that guidance is that all things equal, subject to change, all the caveats that the Fed typically says. You could get a percentage worth of increases over the course of the next 12 months. Well, when you're talking about billion-dollar deals, that percent can add up.